This is a teardown of a Fortinet FORTIAP-220B model FAP, unfortunate, dash 220B-A. Yeah, it's an unfortunate model number, but outdated wireless firewall router access point. Maybe it's just an access point. I don't know. PoE powered. That's kind of cool. So he hasn't broke the warranty seal yet. Oh no. And I'm assuming the screws are located under these rubber feet. And they're attached very strongly. My goodness. I want to stab a hole in my nice table. Man, they really went all out on that adhesive. And those are just stuck on like no other. Ugh, they're security torques. I don't know why people feel the need to put security screws on this kind of stuff. Like, you're not stopping anybody. You're just spending more money and making it more difficult for everyone. Nope, it's T10. It should just split apart. Might have to bounce it off the floor. Well, nope. Maybe? Wow. It does not want to come apart. Let's see, maybe a locking tab there. Although it's not on the other side. I'm busting the plastic up real nice. It ain't working. Oh man, there's plastic everywhere now. Did I miss something? No? Just all, jeez, all the snaps. Locked down twice on each corner, basically. I guess they were afraid that someone was going to drop it and it's going to fall apart or something. I don't know. Golly. All the different antennas. And we got a piece of Hynix memory there. Darn camera will focus. Another piece of Hynix memory there. Atheros, that's definitely the wireless chip. Another Atheros chip, some power regulation. A whole bunch of power regulation right here. Although this is a kind of a combination of some of this is for the DC barrel jack and some of this is to manage PoE. So basically it's going to have twice as much power regulation because it can run on twice as many power sources. So apparently Atheros is just doing all the work. This must be like the processor because, I mean, these are most definitely the wireless controller portions of the board because the antenna connections are right next to them. So I guess the Atheros chip here is the brains. Interesting. And that's an AR7161-BC1A. And then these, are they the same? AR9223AC1A, AR9220AC1A. So I'm assuming that those are doing different wireless bands, which also would explain the different types of antennas, or designs I should say. But yeah, that's all there is to see. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.